You guys won't believe how this AI just read the room on my latest Kathy Lee Gifford video. I stopped guessing and let the research lab take the wheel.
I uploaded my draft about Kathy Lee's new $100 million Cedar Cliff listing, and the AI video scan scorecard went to work. It analyzed my entire vibe, pacing, flow, and even my clarity. It told me exactly where I was losing the plot and how to tighten the hook to keep you watching.
But here's the kicker. It didn't just critique me. It handed me a viral-ready title, a perfect description, and all the keywords I needed to rank. It even picked up on the trend of her new book, Nero and Paul, to maximize my reach.
If you want to stop guessing and start winning on YouTube, you need to check out YouTubeCreatorAI.com. Use the research lab and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Join the community and let's grow together.